Friends, I'm going to do a little review, I guess, of these filters I got from somebody called Lamage. I bought these. These have not been provided for me. So this is a legit review. I got my Ball Animal 3. I've got it to the left side here where the filters go in. I've never bought an off-brand filter before, so let's see if this thing fits for one thing. Looks similar. Let's try it and see. This is a 2-pack. It was very inexpensive on Amazon. Does it look as dense? It honestly does not. It looks like there's a whole lot more little folds. I'm still going to try it. It may not honestly matter. And I may still go and clean this one. It's dirty inside, but not terribly. I've had this Ball Animal 3 for a pretty good while. Structure looks the same. It just, you can see this one looks dirty inside, kind of gray. This one, let's see if it's going to go on. Looks like it goes on just fine. This looks like there's not as many folds, if you can see that. Looks like there's maybe a third again more with this. Just so you can see. It's always a little bit tricky getting this thing back on. Gotta hit that hole just right. I always get just a little frustrated with it. And I've done this before. I've laid it down so I can see it better. So this is kind of weird that I'm doing this. I'll show you how sometimes if you get just too frustrated and can't make it work, do this instead. I think I hit it down. Yes. So folks, if that debacle that just happened there happens, debacle, and there you go. That's how you can do it. Just stand it up and it should work. So that seems okay. And it's been a while since I've washed this out. Ordinarily about every 3-4 months. Got a watermelon here and move out of the way. Ordinarily about every 3 or 4 months, I do wash this canister out. Okay, so I'm going to click this little thing right here. In case you're looking, it's this thing right here. You got the red thing on this side that drops the canister out, but you can go over here and do this. And yep, it's been a while since I've changed that out or washed it out. I can see it's pretty nasty inside. It smells like a golden doodle. But everything else looks fairly clean. It's not in a bad way right now. So, and again, this looks like the brand one. So that one smells lovely. I'm going to put it down in. Okay, and then I'm going to close this back up. And now I'm ready to vacuum. And maybe be a little less stinky. If I wanted to do a really good job, I would go out. I like to just wash this out. I've got another video showing how I did it with a Ball Animal too. Same kind of situation. I do clean these things, like I say, about every 3-4 months. Depends on how much I've been using them. But that thing stinks. And again, these are reusable. You can still, I might keep these and just wash it out. And yeah, but here's the thing. These were cheap. 2 of them. It was not very expensive. Was it like 16, 17 bucks? I'll put the price on the video or down in the description, one or the other, or on the screen. So I've got a second one. And I think this will fit the Animal 2 also. So I still got my Animal 2. I keep it out in the garage. But the Animal 3 has been the one I've been using. It's more powerful and has a few extra features and stuff. And I got Hendrix laying over here. It's a bit of a challenge keeping everything clean. It's not like having when we had the pug or when I had my golden retriever especially. Man, those dogs will shed a lot. Hendrix sheds almost none, but he brings in lots of stuff that sticks to his fur, twigs and little leaves and moss and good gosh, all kinds of little crapness. If he goes and rolls in the grass, he gets grass on him. It's aggravating that way, life with a golden doodle. But I'm going to go vacuum with this and make sure everything's working okay. I'll shoot just a little bit of that as well and I'll let you know what I think. But I think I am going to keep these. Looking at them, although they stink, I think they could be washed out, particularly this thing. I think I could use this again. So here comes some action with the vacuum. I just vacuumed the bedroom. You can see the dirt and stuff in here. Vacuumed the bedroom, living room, kitchen, just some little side areas, hallways and stuff. So yeah, it's working great. I had zero odors after the first initial little moment. Like I say, first 10 seconds, I guess I was just smelling what's coming out of the pipes in the vacuum, but that did great. Awesome. If it's just not your thing to go clean filters, then buy these. It's cheaper. It's probably, if I look at my time, the amount of time that I do spend cleaning them, I'm just cheap that way anyway. But it would probably be more economical from a time point of view for me just to buy them. 2 of them for, like I say, it's less than 20 bucks, whatever it was. And it smells way better. Peace to all who watch. Subscribe to the channel if you like.